On your GoPro camera, by default, you don't have a lot of options when you're filming something. For example, here we've got how wide you want your lens, and on the other side you've got your FPS, the number of images you record per second. If you want to unlock more options, you will have to enable the Pro mode, and for doing this you will need to swipe down your finger and go on the second page. Here, as you can see, Control is by default on Easy. You will need to swap it to Pro. Once it's done, you can exit that menu, and as you will see, if I can get out of here, you will have more options just right here. And if you're going just right here on that big button, you will have way more options. Those ones are presets, but you can modify them by clicking on the pen, and you have here a lot of options. Now, if you need help with that, I will invite you to take a look at this video where I will explain all of them.